How to avoid common mistakes on Forex.com platform. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to avoid common mistakes on Forex.com platform, you need to first focus on developing a solid trading plan. You need to have the backup plan in order to manage the risk effectively, and you have to stay disciplined. So whatever you are investing in, you need to have the solid understanding of that, and you need to keep on practicing risk management techniques like using stop loss orders, and you have to track your progress and identify the areas for improvements. Let's say if you head over to any stocks and you want to trade the stock, you can select the buy option. Here you have different options like trade size. As I've said earlier, you can utilize the feature of stop loss and take profit. You can enable these features. You can amplify your profit from here. You can also enable the stop loss feature. Configure accordingly in order to bear the minimum risk. Also, the best way to practice everything is you can have a demo account. After creating your demo account, you'll receive the virtual funds and you can try and experiment on trading and different strategies. So that's how you can easily avoid common mistakes on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.